Welcome everybody. Today on this review I'm going to take a look at the Pro Pouch 2.0 by Pocket Shot. These blue power socks, or whatever you want to call them. This is essentially the bands of your Pocket Shot circular slingshot, and these blue ones are a slightly different composition and thickness, and they promise us greater velocity out of the slingshot and also a longer draw length. These will take a little bit to break in. You're going to feel them loosen up after about 10 shots or so, but then they're going to come into their own and they're going to be your go-to for a little more shot power when you need it. The black ones still work fine, but the blue ones give you a little bit more oomph, and who doesn't want more oomph? Thanks for joining me on this review, everybody. Bye-bye.